Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at and installing the Ford leather shift boot, and it's going to fit 05 to 09 GT and V6 Mustangs. It's not going to fit the GT500. This is a full leather shift boot that's black with black stitching. This is a great option for you if you're looking to replace an old or worn out shift boot, or if you're just looking for a nice leather shift boot upgrade. It costs about $55 and it's very easy to install. You won't need any tools. I'll call it a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and I'll show you how to get it on your car now. Alright guys, so your factory shift boot is held in with this plastic trim around it, and it's literally only going to be a couple clips. So we're going to go ahead and we are actually going to pop this up first. I'm going to get my finger under one of the corners here and just pop up, and the whole shift boot will pop up. From there, I'm going to go ahead and unthread my stock shift knob. And it'll all come off as one piece. Okay, so your stock shift knob is just over the boot. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pull down on one of the corners. You guys can see there's a spot in the stock shift knob for your shift boot to sit in. We're just gonna pull the shift boot off of that. All right guys, so now we have the Ford replacement shift boot, and there are a ton of shift boot options on the website. This is definitely one of the more subtle ones. You guys can see you have the full grain black leather here with the black stitching, and this is wrapped around a new plastic trim piece for you, so you don't have to worry about any of that. This literally just completely replaces your old shift boot. So in order to get this on, we're gonna take our stock shift knob and we're going to work the new shift boot into this crease here in the shift knob. So I'm just gonna work one side in and just try to get it over and into its home. The new shift boot is of course gonna be a little stiff. All right, from here, we are going to thread our shift knob back onto our shifter. Obviously your shift knob needs to be tight, but facing the correct direction. So at this point, all we have to do is line the shift boot up in the center console and then clip it into place. All right guys, that's gonna wrap up this review and install. Keep in mind that you can always check this out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.